Hey there, welcome to this week's episode of In the Shop with Scott. I am going to start out, I'm going to do the video a little different, maybe less voiceover and more conversation as we go on. I'm starting with a cutting board glue up, so a bunch of pieces left from the cart over there. I've been saving that were at least 24 inches, so I think this one's going to turn out to be another guitar pick board. I did one of those last year. Yeah, and that seemed to go well. So here is the glue up. All right, so first thing I need to do is the layout. And these pieces were already prepped. I've already planed, ran them through the drum sander, so our edges are good. So it's just a matter of lots of glue up. And then we clamp them down. All right, so next up, I've got a couple spoons pretty much done, just need final sanding. So I'm gonna use a little mini Wen belt sander and just smooth out any rough spots and they'll be ready to finish. So here we go. All right, so there we go. Just need a little hand sanding and these are ready to oil or wax up and use.
If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for new video notifications, like, comment, and share.